In today's video, we are going to look at the installation of VS Code onto Windows. After looking at the installation of Python onto Windows, now we want to get our coding environment ready. Let's get over to YouTube and see how we can install VS Code on Windows. So you come to the search bar and type install VS Code on Windows. It doesn't matter the Windows version. The method is still the same. The process is still the same. So come to the official VS Code website, kodi.visualstudio.com, and then come to the home page. On the home page, we are given various options, but we don't want to download for Ubuntu or Fedora, Red Hat, macOS. If you have macOS, you can now head over and download the button here. The process will still be pretty the same. Then for Windows users, we come over here, we click on the download button for Windows 10 and 11, and our download should be on its way. So you mark where your download is going, and you can pretty much change the location of the where you want it to go over here. But I want it in the downloads, so I don't want to change, but you can put it in documents, music, if that's what you want, graphs, depending. But we remain with the downloads folder for now. We click save, and our download of VS Code is ready. So when we come to downloads folder, our VS Code is here. So you can click, or you can just press enter, and it will start running. So the prompt we are getting here is we are required to accept the agreement. If you want, you can go through, but I don't think that will change anything. So you accept the agreement and click next. And you want to create a desktop icon here for easy access. But if you don't want, please leave everything here, add to path, checked, leave it checked. Click next. And this is some. Please click install. The previous statements do not matter. So in a few seconds, our download will be, and it's ready. Click finish, and it opens up. Voila. So we want to test and see how to use it, but this is not the way I want to use it. So I'll first close it and head over to still the start or the Windows button or icon here. I want to call the command prompt, and I don't want to run it as an administrator, but I just want to click on it from there. Or you could just press enter from here. When you type CMD, with pressing enter, you will get this command prompt with the main user's folder being pointed to. So from here, I usually want to use the command prompt. If you're new to the command prompt, just bear with me. It is not intimidating, but with a few commands, I want to navigate or to move to the directory where I want my programs to be. And with that, I'll use the commands. Some of these commands are the same with Linux or Unix-based systems plus Mac OS. So we want to move to or CD or change directory to the downloads folder. Pressing the tab, you can even auto-complete this, and you can press enter. You are into the downloads folder. But in the downloads folder, I want to create a directory by using this command mkdir or make directory. And I want to call that directory coding. So I've made the directory coding, and I want to move into that directory or folder. Yes. So I want my programs to be here, and my first program or folder. So this folder coding will have all coding programs, but within the coding folder, I want to create multiple folders for different programs. So I'll create another directory called maybe hello world. And I want to move to hello world and this is the first program or the folder that will contain my first program. So I want to call VS Code by using this command, CODO code space dot. You will have this command into your terminal if you added Python you added VS Code into the environment variable. So when you press enter, VS Code opens, and from here I want to create my first Python file, which I will call hello.py, and from here our first program is going to be print hello world. Really, this is the first program that every programmer writes. So one of the ways to run this program, you can call Python. Because you are in the same directory where the program is, make sure that you are in the same directory where your program is. Our program is in hello world folder in the coding directory. So we want to run Python or to run this file, and we see that word printed on our screen by typing Python hello. So with autocomplete, by pressing the tab, you can autocomplete this, but either way we can say hello.python. Okay, so when we press enter, we are getting the hello world. So we have installed Python and we have successfully installed VS Code, so we are ready to go and dive into the world of Python. Happy coding, guys. I'll see you in the next video.